Toyota manages more than 26,000 acres to support our 14 advanced manufacturing plants and operations across North America, producing some of the most loved vehicles on the road today. So when we were creating our biodiversity targets, we came up with a pretty bold idea. What if we used our 26,000 acre North American footprint as our target to enhance 26,000 acres of pollinator habitat? And what if we worked with some amazing partners who can maximize Toyota's impact? And that's where Pollinator Partnership comes in.
Together, we have worked with a wide range of people like farmers, tribal groups, conservation organizations, and even government agencies all across North America to enhance pollinator habitat on farms, public and tribal lands. And as a part of this project, I'm especially proud of the work we're doing in Mexico for monarch habitats.
In the states of Mexico and Michoacan, Toyota and World Wildlife Fund Mexico have worked with local tree nurseries to plant 521 acres of native trees in the area where monarchs rest for the winter. So we help reforestation efforts with native species and help these pollinators thrive.
Yeah, that's a great combination. This kind of work can make a meaningful impact for pollinators that need the help, especially now.
And it looks like we're on track to meet our biodiversity target of 26,000 acres. I predict we'll have some exciting news when it comes to supporting biodiversity in our next 5-year environmental action plan. Want to know more? Check out Toyota's latest report, where you can learn about our environmental sustainability ideas and actions as we work to make a better planet.